Welcome to Backyard Bodyworks. I'm Robert, and today we're going to be working on the Honda behind me, and we are going to be taking the hood off and the bumper off and fitting a new hood to the top of the car, to the front of the car, and that'll be our project for today. So sit back and enjoy. My wife, she is very crazy.
Put it in the trash can because you're using it.
Yes, this is true. Now what I need for you to do is I need for you to hold it right there. Yeah, just hold that as I start to undo it.
Down here, or is it going to crush my hand?
No, it's not going to crush your hand. Welcome to day 2 for the 2009 Honda Accord rebuild. This is Robert with Backyard Bodyworks. Today what we're doing is I'm getting the car ready to go down to the frame shop, so I need to put a headlight in it so it can be legal. And I've got the hood on, I've got the other things are on, and what we're going to be doing now is just putting some cosmetic stuff together, so it shouldn't take but just a few minutes. All right, that seems to cut it for this second day. Got the headlight in, got the hood on, and it's looking pretty good, I think. I mean, it's starting to come together. So we're just going to take it down to the frame shop and let them pull this area right here out, because it's kind of mangled, and I don't have the facilities to do that here. I mean, even the Oak Aligner 2 can't fix that. And for those of you who don't know what an Oak Aligner 2 is, Oak Aligner 2 is an oak tree with chain wrapped around it, and you just yank it out with a come along or a ram jack. Other than that, that's a little bit too much for the Oak Aligners, so we're going to send it down to the frame shop and let them pull on it. And that should be that should do it. And then we'll start putting body panels on and get it ready for paint, which will be another segment. Thanks for watching the Backyard Bodyworks.